everyone, Anke here with a new mixed media layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the December 2021 HipKits. I start with the mixed media part and I spray the Blush Burst Sparkle Spray, which is included in the December color kit, on a piece of cardstock and blend it with a paintbrush. Then I dry it with my heat tool. When the color is dry, I apply a layer of Nouveau Glacier paste using a stencil. Paste and stencil are also included in the December color kit. I dry the paste using my heat tool. Finally, I apply a thin layer of the glacier paste on a piece of cardstock and let it dry. I will use these papers with some of the exclusive metal dies. Now I create the background for my layout. Therefore, I apply a layer of modeling paste on white cardstock using the stencil from the December color kit. I just want to add some texture, so I don't use color. When the paste is dry, I glue the paper on my 9x12-inch page, and now I can add my photos and start embellishing the layout. I want to hang my photos on a string, therefore I pick out two of the tab die cuts which are included in the December embellishment kit and attach them at the top of my photos using a stapler. Now I can pull the string through the tabs. make a shaker element using one of the exclusive chipboard frames which are included in the December main kit, some sequins and a piece of foil. My mixed media papers are completely dry now, and I cut out big and small snowflakes using the metal dies from the snow globe kit. I want to add a bit of color to my page, and so I take off the stencil background and back it with a piece of the Hippie Club exclusive Big Chill home knits paper. Then I arrange my photos, the snowflakes and my shaker element on my page and add some chipboard stickers and floral die cuts from the December embellishment kit. adhere everything and attach the ends of the string with a stapler. Then I add a puffy sticker from the December Pocket Life kit and the title, which is from the chipboard stickers pack, which is included in the December embellishment kit. Finally, I add some of the Nuvo Silver Crystals glitter drops, which are included in the December color kit. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me today.